No, I assure you, Millie Upton is not a terrorist. Hold, please. Has that press conference started yet?
Yep.
How's it going?
I don't know. I'm watching Top Model.
Put on the press conference.
Sit in front of a mirror in that big old house.
Cheerio, matey! Whoa, don't you ride on my double-decker. We'll go get some mushy peas.
Millie's killing it.
Millie!
Oi, look at my crazy British teeth. Oh, look at me and my big British belly.
Finally, a signal.
Are there any good YouTubes?
Signal's weak. Something on the news page about people burning books in England, but it doesn't really... I lost it again.
We'll be okay. We just have to find a way to keep it from Joyce. Crystal, make sure that Joyce never... Holy crap, your choice.
Might be hard to keep it from me when the entire country of Britain is phoning to yell at you.
Is it bad yelling?
Is, someone calling you a filthy scorny bad?
What's a scorny?
I don't know, but I keep mine clean.
I knew you'd blow it.
How was I supposed to know they were going to ask questions?
This team sucks. I am starting my own team with just me.
Shotgun! Well, what game is it?
It's kind of hard to nap with all this yelling out here.
You are napping?
Well, your chair is huge and puffy. Plus there's a foot massager, satellite TV. How come I don't have that stuff?
Because you work for me, not the other way around. Oh, and your mother is on line 1.
Ugh, tell her I'm not here.
I think I know how we can fix this.
No, what did I just say, huh?
I don't know. I go someplace else when you start yelling.
Where's the burn my britches and the darn thing sure riches and it's giving me a rush on my scorny.
I just said I am fixing this myself. You two go home, do nothing, just sit in the dark and stare at a wall.
Sweet.
And you don't talk to anyone either, especially me. If I have a TV and bar in my office, that's my business.
Dude, you have a bar in here?
No. No, I don't.
Anna, I have to pee.
Duly noted.
Anna.
I'm not going with you.
But bears wait until you have to pee. So you're vulnerable. They're savvy like that.
I'm sleeping, Stan.
Then how are you talking to me?
What are you doing?
I think there's an empty bottle in here.
Don't even think about it.
You want me to go back on Daytime Debbie and publicly exonerate your client?
For which you would be compensated generously, of course.
I should hope so. She made fun of my leg. That was just plain mean.
Name your price.
Millie donates $5,000 to a charity of my choosing.
That's a lot of zeros. 2,000.
That's the same amount as zeros.
3,000.
It's a deal. To the Queen.
May she rule with an iron scorny.
Oh, jeez, it's hot. Maybe you missed a window or something when you set the tent up.
You know, I didn't even want to come on this trip, but I did. Because it was important to you. But you've done nothing but complain about the pamphlets and the wireless and the bugs and bears.
You're right. I've been a grade A boob. I drag you out here against your will, and then I get so wrapped up in my own thing that I ruin the whole weekend. I don't know why you put up with me.
Because I love you, you big whiny baby.
I love you too. Although, technically, I didn't complain about the pamphlets. You did.
I am gonna kill you.
After I saved you from the bears?
There are no bears.
Did you get him with the bug spray?
The whole can. I feel bad we left the tent.
We can get a new tent. That one was too hot anyway.
You see, Millie was simply trying to tell a joke, and her intentions got misconstrued. She is, in my book, A-OK.
Oh, thank you so much, Sir Randall. You truly are a great humanitarian. And I don't care if you do have one fake leg. And a weird eye.
That's enough.
I'm glad we got that herd of kittens back in the corral.
What?
Just glad I could help.
You didn't do anything.
Didn't I?
No.
You do have a bar in here.
I would also like to thank all the good people in the good country of England for being so supportive and good. The British are a understanding and forgiving people. Unlike the French, am I right?
You probably want to get that.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Hello, foot massager.
Low bar.
So how was the camping trip?
Oh, it was good. I love the woods. I was born for the woods. And I had a bit of a tough time, but...
Chicks, huh?
Any issues while I was away?
You're such a mother hen, I was fine. I took a crash course in French. Mes apologies, mes amis. Je sorry, los idiocy. Moi, le moron.
One day, little Missy Grumpaloo saw another Grumpaloo who had 3 legs. Missy thought that was very interesting and said, "Hello there, I see you have too many legs." Missy Grumpaloo didn't know that sometimes when you say exactly what you're thinking, it can hurt other people's feelings. Missy said she was sorry and decided that people's differences aren't really very important, so she wasn't going to bring them up anymore, no matter how freaky or weird they looked.